O Krishna, son of Maharaj Nanda, I'm your eternal servant. But because of my own activities, I have fallen into this horrible ocean of nescience. Now please be causelessly merciful to me. Consider me a particle of dust at your holy lotus feet. I request you now to continue chanting for a little bit while with Amala Purana Prabhu, and just think of yourself as being fallen into the ocean of birth and death. You're fallen into this horrible ocean of nescience, and cry out to Krishna that he be merciful to you and save you by lifting you up into the safe shelter of your lotus feet.